Okay, this is Blizzard, and my daughter. Blizzard's 7 months old. He's very playful and curious. Tell him to drop the ball, Linda.
Drop the ball!
Come here, Blizzard.
Come here, Blizzard! Drop the ball!
You don't need to yell at him.
Drop the ball.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Okay.
And go get the ball.
Oh. Melinda, he's getting tired. Do you want to walk him on the leash? Why don't you grab his leash for him real fast.
I'm getting tired too.
Oh, you're getting tired too? We're out here playing.
I'll just come out here. We're playing.
Okay. Can you? Why don't you grab his leash for me, okay?